Are you looking to shed some extra belly fat and slim down your waistline? Here are 10 effective ways to help you reach your goals. 1. Focus on your diet. Cut back on sugary drinks, processed foods, and unhealthy fats. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 2. Incorporate cardio exercises into your routine. Activities like running, biking, swimming, or dancing can help burn calories and reduce belly fat. 3. Try high-intensity interval training to maximize fat-burning potential. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods can be very effective. 4. Don't forget about strength training. Building muscle can boost your metabolism and help with fat loss, including belly fat. 5. Get plenty of sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormone levels and lead to weight gain, especially around the midsection. 6. Manage stress effectively. High levels of stress can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat storage. 7. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. 8. Be mindful of portion sizes. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help prevent overeating and promote weight loss. 9. Avoid crash diets or extreme restrictions. Focus on making long-term, sustainable changes to your habits for lasting results. 10. Stay consistent and patient with your efforts. Losing belly fat takes time and dedication, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.